Hi everyone, and thanks for listening in on this workshop. This is on the campaign Breast is Best. Now we're going to dive in and just talk about the campaign a little bit here. This campaign is designed to help raise awareness for breast cancer for both men and women between the ages of 18 to 60 years of age. The goal in this campaign is to help inspire, empower, and help change the lives of those who have been diagnosed or who know someone that has been diagnosed. The hope is to find different avenues that may help those interested in learning or coping with this particular issue. Before we actually get started with our workshop, we'd like to start it out as a meet and greet for individuals to get to know one another a little better. We hope to run out or use a conference room at a nearby community center for everyone to have the chance to meet and get to know each other, have some refreshments, and then get on with the workshop. At the beginning of this workshop, it will introduce the campaign and overall goal, and we hope to invite a special speaker who has gone through cancer, and we hope for them to speak for a few minutes and share their story. Then there will be a little bit more talk about how we hope to implement the promoting of the campaign and talk about lessons of self-breast examination, breast cancer risks, susceptibility of men to cancer, support groups, and lifestyle changes. That is all I have so far, but thank you for listening in.